Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm working on a 2012 Chevy Tahoe and I will show you how to replace the rear window switches. This works from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Okay, first, to replace the window switch you don't have to take off the complete door panel. You can pop out this bezel piece with a flat screwdriver or something like this, or even better, a plastic trim remover. Just pry it here underneath. And the window switch will just pop out. To disconnect the switch, you want to pull onto this gray thingy up like this, and then you will be able to push onto this black clip and completely remove the switch. I'm supposed to use two hands to do it. Okay, and here it is. Once you have the window switch out, now you have like two options how to install a new one. If you're getting like a used switch from a salvage, try to get this whole assembly, so that way you don't have to deal with taking this apart. But if you're getting a brand new switch, you will get just the switch, so that means you'll have to take this switch out of this plastic bezel piece. Okay, so I have it apart, so now you can see how this looks. So 4 clips that are in these 4 holes. Pretty easy and straightforward. So if you have a new switch, just click it in like this, so they're all 4 in place, and then you will want to just plug this cable back in and install it back, actually like this. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.